Use the law of attraction in your job search. Our thoughts are magnets that attract the thoughts we are thinking. Even if you want something desperately, if your thoughts say you will never get it, guess what? You won't. However, if you change your thoughts on achieving it, you will. Mostly because if your thoughts are laser focused on getting it, you will do the right things in order to attain it. This principle can be applied to many areas of your life. Whether it is getting well, losing weight, quit smoking, competing at peak levels, or finding a job, your attitude is crucial to success. Believing you can do something provides the strength and stamina to overcome the obstacles in your path. Positive thinking propels a small engine successfully up a mighty hill and you to landing your dream job. This principle can be applied to your job search. By changing your thoughts, you will reach your goal. Notice the attitudes of successful candidates. They are positive and enthusiastic. They keep their heads up high and smile. They believe from the bottom of their being they will get a job. The unsuccessful candidates walk around saying there aren't any jobs, they will never find anything, and other such thoughts. How to use the law of attraction in your job search. Think positively. Deep down positively, not just on the surface. You can't just say you are thinking positively. Believe in you. Don't allow others bring you down. You have the power. Align what you think and what you do to what you want. It won't work if your actions and thoughts are contradictory to the goal. If you don't think you will get it, you won't do what it takes to get it. Know you are going to get a job. Talk about when you get a job rather than if you get a job. Write down what your ideal job is. Concentrate on it. Imagine doing that job. Use guided imagery to assist in this step. Don't allow yourself to become discouraged. If you do, look for all the positive things in your life and focus on them. As with all things, practice makes perfect. If you aren't used to thinking this way, it will take some getting used to, but continue working on it. Career success will be yours if you do. You are a living magnet. What you attract into your life is in harmony with your dominant thoughts. Brian Tracy.